A very good morning to all of you. This is Abhilasha Nada, your social science teacher. And today we are going to start our very first chapter of your geography book, that is chapter number 1, environment. Before starting this chapter, I would like to give you a gist of this book, this textbook. Your geography textbook name is Our Environment. Basically, we are going to study about our surroundings and our environment in this chapter. If you just look at the cover book of your textbook, it is just look like this. And in this book we are going to talk about our environment. Our very first chapter is environment journey, so we will talk about what is environment and what are the different components of environment, how our surroundings affects us. After that we will talk about in chapter number 2 we are going to talk about what is inside our earth. We will talk about that. And after that our changing earth, how our day-to-day life and how time to time our earth is changing, how the weather, the climate of our earth is changing at different places, at different phenomena. Then air, water, and natural vegetation. All these things are in our surroundings only. So we will study about all these things this year very elaborately. Okay. So first of all, let's start this chapter number 1 of your book. Before that, just look at the overview of this chapter. We will start with this chapter with the story of environment. We will story of Ravi, and we will after going through this story of Ravi, we will able to get to know what is environment. Okay, so whatever we see in our environment or surrounding is known as environment. After that, we will talk about components of environment. Components is basically parts. Okay, so we will talk about parts of environment, so natural environment, human environment. So these are some of the components of environment. Okay, so let's start with the story of Ravi. Story of Ravi. Ravi, what is environment? There is a conversation between Ravi and her and his teacher. Okay, we are uh, reading that conversation between Ravi and teacher. So Ravi arises a question with after looking at the cover book of his chapter of his book. Just like you guys, Ravi is also a student of class 7, and he saw his textbook for the very first time, just like you guys. Okay, and he arises a question, ma'am, what is environment? His teacher replied, whatever you see in your surroundings, जो भी तुम अपने सराउंडिंग्स में देखते हो, whatever you see in your surroundings is known as environment. जो भी हम देखते हैं वो क्या है, हम क्या देख रहे हैं हम अपने आसपास. मैं अभी आप क्लासरूम में बैठी हुई हूँ, मैं तो क्लास देख रही हूँ, लैपटॉप देख रही हूँ. ओके, द एयर क्या कर रही हूँ मैं, फील कर रही हूँ. सो वट एवर यू सी इन योर सराउंडिंग्स, वट एवर यू फील इन योर सराउंडिंग इज नोन एज environment. Then Ravi said, that means the school building, tables, chair in the classroom, even that open field, the road, garbage, my friends, all are parts of our environment. Just like you guys, you said me, ma'am, I'm looking at laptop, I'm looking at the phone, chair, windows. All these things are, what are these things? These things are the part of our environment. Teacher. Teacher replied, yes, but wait, some objects are created by nature. For example, the pictures you are seeing, mountains, rivers, trees, animals. Just look at these pictures. These are some pictures of mountains, river is flowing from here, animals, plants, trees, etc. All these things are created by nature. Created by nature means it is not created by human beings, it is created by God or nature itself. Okay. We are also the part of nature only. Okay, right. So all these things, rivers, trees, animals, mountains, all these things are created by nature. Teacher, others are made by people. For example, we are looking at these smooth roads, cars, houses, clothes, books, laptops, phones, bottle. These are some of the things which are made by us, which are made by people, right? So all these things are created by all these things are created by human beings or people. Okay, so now there is an activity for you. You have to name any two creations made by nature and human beings. So some of the objects created by nature are sun, stars, forests, trees. These are some of the creations by nature, and some of the creations by human beings are laptops, ladder, fan, chair, bottle, books, etc. These are some of the examples or creations by human beings. Okay. Now, so what is this environment? Environment is our basic life support system. Without environment, we can't live, right? We can't live without environment. Huh? This is our basic life support system. We all, just like Shailaja gave me the example of atmosphere. It is created by nature. We all need atmosphere or air to breathe, right? It provides the air we breathe. Environment is providing the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. These are the examples. These things are very important in our life, and if we want to live, we need all these things, right? So environment is providing whatever we are requiring. Okay, whatever we required in our life to support our life, all these things are provided by environment, or all these things are uh, provided by surroundings. Okay, so there is a question arises: how do human beings modify this natural environment? Okay, modify means to change. ह्यूमन बींग्स जो हैं, ये हमारा जो environment है उसको change कैसे कर रहा है, modify कैसे करना है. For example, the car fumes pollute the air. Human beings invented cars, okay? And we also invented fuels, petrol, diesel, etc. And we are using these fuels, petrol, diesel in our cars to we are using these cars and we are using these fuels. Okay, but the car fumes, आपने कार से धुआं निकलते हुए देखा है, कार से, मोटरसाइकिल से, या फिर आप बोल सकते हो इंडस्ट्रीज से. So all these fumes pollute the air, that natural environment, the air which we are which nature is providing to us, is modifying because it is polluting. The cars we invented, the fumes which generated from the cars and the industries polluting our environment, so it is naturally modifying our natural environment. Just like that, human beings make cars, mills, etc. Water is collected in a pot. Okay, naturally water flows in a river, streams, and you can say lakes, oceans, right? But we are collected some water in a pot for our use. We are collected in a pot, right? So we modified that. We are serving food in vessels or containers. So all these things, where did these containers made? These containers are manufacturing in industries. Okay, the containers, the utensils which we are using. and manufacturing in industries. So as as a human being, we are inventing and we are making these cars, mills, factories, manufacturing containers, and by using all these resources and by using all these things to satisfy our needs, we are modifying natural environment. We are modifying this natural, like for example, फायर नॉर्मली इन्वेंट हुआ था, ठीक है, डिस्कवर हुआ था, अर्ली मैन ने डिस्कवर किया था फायर को, बट नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट से हमें फायर नहीं, फायर इन्वायरमेंट से मिला है, बट कुकिंग करना हमने कब सीखा? हमने फायर को देखा, फिर हमने सोचा हम कुकिंग करते हैं, ठीक है। तो ये इससे क्या किया हमने? इन्वायरमेंट को, नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट को चेंज किया, मॉडिफाई किया, राइट। सो human beings make cars, mills, factories, manufacture containers, and this is how human beings modify environment. So now there is a word origin of environment. So this term environment is a French word. Okay, there is a French word environnement, or you can say environier, which means neighborhood. So this word environment is originated from the French word environier, which means neighborhood. तो question आता है आपको कि from the word environment is derived from which word? So it is derived from the French word environnement. Or what is the meaning of environment? Environment means neighborhood. Okay. Now, so the some classmates of Ravi, like Paramjit, Jesse, Mustafa, these are some of the classmates of Ravi. The were discussing something. Okay, they were discussing like, why is our environment changing? Okay, why is our environment changing? It is all because of our needs. They are increasing day by day. Our needs are increasing day by day. We are therefore modifying and at times even destroying our natural surrounding. Just look at this picture. This is just look at this picture. This is natural environment. ठीक है, rainbow दिख रहा है, clouds दिख रहे हैं, बहुत सारे trees दिख रहे हैं, stream दिख रहा है. Okay, and just look at this picture. बहुत सारी industries है, buildings हैं, ठीक है, chemical waste निकल रहा है, fumes निकल रहा है. What we are doing? यहाँ पे तो देखने में इतना सुंदर लग रहा है, ब्लू स्काई, रेनबो एंड फ्रेश एयर्स एक्सेट्रा, बट जस्ट लुक एट दिस पिक्चर, सारा पोल्यूशन हो रहा है. तो वी आर पोल्यूटिंग आवर एनवायरनमेंट, वी आर मॉडिफाइंग नेचर. Why we are modifying nature? Why we are changing our environment? Because of our needs. For example, अब जो normal school system था, आप पहले school आते थे, physical school आते थे और पढ़ते थे. But from the last 1 year, what you guys are doing, what we are doing, we are studying online. Why? Because it is our need. हमने अपने नीड के अकॉर्डिंग क्या किया, इस जूम ऐप को भी डेवलप कर लिया, ठीक है, और हमने ऑनलाइन पढ़ना सीखा, ठीक है. बहुत लोगों के पास लैपटॉप, फोन्स नहीं थे, उन्होंने परचेज किए. व्हाई? बिकॉज उनकी नीड थी. It is all because of our need. We are doing things because our need, and our needs are increasing day by day. Okay, and to satisfying our needs, we are modifying and at times even destroying our natural surroundings also. And to satisfy our needs, we are destroying our natural surroundings. ठीक है, जो भी हमारी natural surrounding है, हम उनको भी क्या कर रहे हैं, हम उनको भी चेंज कर रहे हैं, उनको भी डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहे हैं, खराब कर रहे हैं. ओके, so now your next topic is components of environment. What is the meaning of component? Component means parts of environment. What are the parts of environment? Just look at this mind map. ओके, जब हम ऐसा फ्लो चार्ट बनाते हैं और उस पिक्चर के थ्रू ही हमें दिख जाता है कि क्या क्या बोलना चाह रहा है ये पिक्चर और वो फ्लो चार्ट, उसको हम माइंड मैप या कॉन्सेप्ट मैप बोलते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट? देयर आर द थ्री मेन कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, और यू कैन से थ्री पार्ट्स ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट: नेचुरल, human made and human. First of all, talk about natural. Okay, natural water. We are nature is providing water to us. Okay, and it's term we are using the term hydrosphere for water. We will talk about hydrosphere and this atmosphere, lithosphere, biosphere in our further classes in this chapter only. Okay, so water, we are getting water from nature only. Nature only. We are getting air, and the term used for air is atmosphere. We are getting air from nature. We are getting land from nature. ऐसा तो नहीं है हमने लैंड को क्या कर दिया, लैंड बिल्ड कर दिया, नहीं. We are getting land from nature, and the term which we use for land is lithosphere. Living things, all the living things, birds, plants, animals, flowers, all these living things are natural, and we use the term biosphere for these for living beings. Okay, so all these are natural environment. Now second is human made, those resources which are created by human beings, या those things which are created by human beings. What are these? Buildings. ऐसा तो नहीं है buildings nature ने building अपने आप ही बना दी, नहीं, human beings ने build किया है उसे. पार्क, पार्क्स हो गए, ठीक है, जिसमें आप स्विंग्स भी देखते हो, अलग अलग ट्रीज, प्लांट्स वगैरह भी देखते हो, पार्क हो गया. ब्रिजेस, ह्यूमन बींग्स मेड दीज ब्रिजेस. रोड्स, मॉन्यूमेंट्स, ठीक है, मॉन्यूमेंट्स जैसे ताजमहल, कुतुब मीनार, चार मीनार, दीज आर सम ऑफ द मॉन्यूमेंट्स and buildings made by human beings. Industries, to manufacture different products, human beings ने क्या है, industries को भी create किया. So these are some of the things created by human beings, and we call these human made environment or human made products. Okay, now there is a term, there is another component of environment, that is human. There are certain things जो हमें फिजिकली नहीं दिखती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे बिल्डिंग है, बिल्डिंग तो हमें फिजिकली हम आंखों से देखेंगे, हमें दिख जाएगी ना कि हाँ ये बिल्डिंग, और इसको ह्यूमन बीइंग ने क्रिएट किया है, बनाया है. बट देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स, और यू कैन से सर्टेन फीलिंग्स which are created by human beings, but वो हम ऐसे देख नहीं सकते हैं फिजिकली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंडिविजुअल, कोई इंडिविजुअल है कि ये मेल है, ये फीमेल है, ये बॉय है, ये गर्ल है, ये किसने क्रिएट किया है, ये जेंडर किसने क्रिएट किया है, ये जेंडर क्रिएट किया है ह्यूमन बींग्स ने, ह्यूमन ने, ठीक है, ह्यूमन बींग्स ने. फैमिली, फैमिली क्या है, फैमिली एक फीलिंग है, ठीक है, कि फैमिली होगी. कोई एक ब्रिज या बिल्डिंग या कोई टेबल के जैसा प्रोडक्ट तो नहीं है, बट एक ये फीलिंग है ना, फैमिली, इट इज ह्यूमन बीइंग. कम्युनिटी की अलग डिफरेंट, हिंदू कम्युनिटी, मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी, सिख कम्युनिटी, अलग अलग कम्युनिटीज बनाई है हमने, ठीक है, किसने बनाई है, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ने बनाई है. रिलीजन, Christianity, Hinduism, Judaism, Islam, Jainism, Buddhism, all these are the religion which are created by human beings. Okay, and these are the feelings. हम feelings बोलेंगे इनको, human made product नहीं बोलेंगे. Educational, ठीक है, कि education होना चाहिए, ये क्या है, feeling है. Economic, trade होना चाहिए, market होना चाहिए. पॉलिटिकल सिचुएशन, ठीक है, इंडिया में जैसे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट क्या है, पार्टीज हैं, जैसे कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस, आम आदमी पार्टी, ठीक है, तृणमूल कांग्रेस. तो ऑल दीज आर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. सो ऑल दीज आर फीलिंग्स, ऑल दीज आर द सिचुएशंस which are created by human beings, which we cannot see physically but we can feel it. And human made और human में क्या difference है, human made are the products okay, which we can see physically, जैसे कि buildings, parks, bridges, roads, ये बनाते हैं, ठीक है, और हम इन्हें देख सकते हैं. बट इंडिविजुअल हो गया, मेल फीमेल, फैमिली, कम्युनिटी, रिलीजन, एजुकेशन, all these are our feelings, all these are the situations created by the, कि मार्केट होना चाहिए, हम बिजनेस कर सकते हैं, एजुकेशन होनी चाहिए, स्कूल होनी चाहिए, तो स्कूल होनी चाहिए, ये जो फीलिंग है, ये ऑल दीज आर द feelings. Okay, so class, this is all about today. Please go through the content, go through, read page number 1 and 2 of your book, and if you face any problem, you may ask me in my next class. Okay, thank you so much for joining the class. Bye bye, take care, and I wish you all a very happy Gangaur.